Frustrating is it for you to lose a game like this, and like you said, the fact that you guys haven't been playing well lately?
I mean, I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised. I don't think so. That we had a good stretch. Let's say like 10-15 games that we are kind of playing good. That we played good. But I think lately, even the games that we won, I think we didn't play good. And in playoffs, I think that's not acceptable.
Why aren't you surprised?
Because this is what we do since I came here. Probably we win against the big teams and we lose against the teams that a smaller bad record. Let's say like that.
Is that frustrating for you over the years, or is that just have you come to accept that?
I mean, I don't want to accept it, but I'm not going to get too high, too low. So I'm just going to try to be as consistent as I can.